The Blackridge range of generators available from Supercheap Auto are going to allow you a whole bunch of excellent off-grid power solutions. This 1700 watt unit is going to be able to power everything from charging your laptops, mobile phones, running a very small compressor, or maybe it's just some lights around the campsite. The sound level is 68 decibels measured at 7 metres. There are a range of features, for example the two 10 amp power outlets, a bunch of warning lights. Always use the earth strap to make sure that the generator is safely grounded to earth, and a smart throttle, and down here we've got a voltmeter, a hertz meter and a kilowatt meter that tells you exactly how the power is coming out of your generator. Now a couple of things before you start. Firstly, make sure that you read the instruction manual. One of the things you're going to need to do is add some engine oil to the 4-stroke motor. On the 3.5 litre fuel tank there's a little primer pump, 3 pumps, and that gets that ready to go. Turn the power switch to on, turn the throttle to start, and pull the handle. That's operating without the smart throttle. Notice the engine RPM drop a little bit. That's the smart throttle saying I've got no load. If I turn on my 1400 watt heat gun, the generator adjusts to the new load and away we go. So we trust your Blackridge generator is going to serve you fantastic over many years. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.